Be amazed by the perfect combination of elegance and practicality offered by the Kartell KV6 sliding shower enclosure. This spacious 1400 by 800 mm enclosure showcases meticulous design and exceptional craftsmanship. The frameless side panel and 6 mm thick safety glass create an airy, expansive atmosphere that will upgrade your showering space into a lavish sanctuary. Experience the convenience of the sliding door mechanism that preserves valuable bathroom space, eliminating the need for outward swinging doors. This creative design ensures effortless, convenient access while effectively containing water within the enclosure. The adaptable corner placement makes this enclosure a perfect fit for various bathroom layouts. Experience the joy of a well-designed shower area with the Kartell KV6 sliding shower enclosure. Treat yourself to this fantastic addition to your home today. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.